Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know what to do. Hit that like button.
Yes, sir. Hey, we know you watching the video. Just go and hit the like.
And so in this video, Sneakerheads, we got a special unboxing for y'all. And you know,
Oh,
I did get exclusive access on sneakers for these Satin Breds as of today, 18 October. They just came out and it was released today. So stay tuned for the recap about that. But in this video, we're doing an unboxing. So bam! Got these
ooh,
directly from Nike. Again, this is a women's exclusive pair. They did not go and extend the sizes. I did grab eight in women's. Because you know, if I was a Jordan 1 man, then I would have probably caught my size. So bam, got this nice Nike box that we're all used to familiar with. Open it up. Ooh, some nice little goodies. So it does come with this, I don't know,
okay.
little purse.
Little handbag. It's a
My
handbag,
brother,
brother.
this is pretty dope. I didn't expect this. So, see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, we don't mind Jordan Brand if you do little things like this. That we get extra. We don't mind paying that extra $10. But when we pay that $10 and we get the same stuff, then we mad.
Mhm.
So, bam,
Mm.
box. We got that classic Jordan OG Satin One bread. I'm looking at this shoe in my hand. It's a nice shoe. I'm not gonna lie. It's a nice shoe, but especially I think for men and women's, I think they'll be able to rock these easily. Um, I know I was hearing some of the YouTubers saying that this looks like a feminine pair of shoe, but in my opinion, it doesn't. I think, man, you could pull this off and rock these. It does feature that satin toe box, black around the toe box, red bottoms. That's all the girls like them red bottoms, right? You get your girl some of these cheaper red bottoms right here, baby, for
Yes, sir.
$180. That classic OG tag, Nike Air in red at the top, satin on the back, and satin swoosh. You check the inside of the sock liner. It does feature satin on the inside of the sock liner, so I do think that that's a good feature as well. I'm not sure if that's picking it up or not, but this right here is all satin, so I think that is a nice move in my opinion. It does feature that regular, not the special, not the stock liner here, but it does feature that Nike Air branding. Again, this is a women's size 8. I don't know if you can read that size tag in there. This is a very clean shoe, in my humble opinion. And these are going for under retail right now. I think this size 8 is going for like $162 on StockX. But I think if you want these for personal sneakerheads, go ahead and scoop these up. In my opinion, this is a very nice shoe. Like I said, I done rocked the one, so I'm gonna turn it over to my man. Think about these, my brother.
Hey, I'm a one fan. I love that toe box. I can see why a bunch of YouTubers, and drop us a comment down below if you agree with what I'm about to say. It's a female shoe, and I can see why they say is more of a female look. But and maybe the fellas, they can pull that off. But that shoe there, me being a one fan, that's a clean shoe, and I can see women really throwing the right outfit with that and bringing that together. Now that right there, my brother, makes sense for the holidays. That's
Yes,
a
sir.
holiday shoe. That's a holiday shoe. But once again, a nice, clean shoe. Hey, like we said, mentioned earlier, drop us a comment down below and let us know if you rocking those or dropping those. Hey, if you continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.